Hi, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a 6-inch by 10-foot beautiful packing table, all stainless steel construction. It's made by JG Machine Works. Ironically, they're here in Marlborough, New Jersey, where we are. You can see the table ends at the termination of the conveyor. A nice workspace. They're 12 inches wide. Very uniquely, you'll see two drive motors under here. These are actually, we've never encountered this before, these are cap tightening chucks. Apparently the operators, as the bottles came down, they would normally be spinning, driven by the motors, would stop, grab a bottle, invert it, stick the cap against the spinning spindle, which has a tapered, soft polymer material inside to meet the cap, and tighten the cap to test the torque. We have lots of conveyors in our stock like this: packing, bottle transport, belt, pneumatic, screw. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.